Wow, you made it! Thank you for taking the time to watch the videos for DS201, and we hope that you enjoyed it and that you learned some cool stuff. When you're ready, you should take a look at some of the other courses we offer here on DataStax Academy. DS220 is a good next course to look at because it'll help you learn the basics of practical application data modeling with Apache Cassandra. Next, you might want to look at DS210. This is an introductory course on operations with Apache Cassandra and will get you started with the care and feeding of your Apache Cassandra clusters. When you're ready, you should move on to our DataStax Enterprise specialty courses, such as DS310, DataStax Enterprise Search, DS320, DataStax Enterprise Analytics with Apache Spark, or DS330, DataStax Enterprise Graph. As you are working through our courses, or as you embark on your own DSC or Apache Cassandra journey, you can get help from experts along the way. The DataStax Academy Slack channels are an awesome resource at your disposal. Here, you can ask general technology questions or course-specific questions and get answers from domain experts from both inside of DataStax and out. The link provided will tell you how to get started with our Slack channels. Good luck moving forward, and we hope to see you on another course or on Slack.